What's up, crew? Welcome to Athens. I am headed down to the Plaza right now. There's a little coffee shop down there that I've heard is Mary Poppins themed. I think it's more Instagrammable than anything. Maybe later today head down to the beach, just kind of make it a relaxing day. So first stop is Little Cook in the Plaza. I think it's right up here, but on my map all the signs are in English, and on the streets all the signs are in Greek. Oh, one more block. Should be right down here. Oh yeah. This looks pretty cool, actually. It's like Disney right in the middle of Athens. So this place is cute. It's a good place for kids. It's probably not a good place for me, but it's a good place for kids. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. All the servers are wearing, they're dressed like Mary Poppins characters. It's awesome. And poof, just like magic, a Freddo cappuccino shows up. Freddo cappuccinos are delicious. I don't really know how they're made, but it's like an iced cappuccino, except way better. This looks awesome. Snow White superfood. Yogurt, bananas. It's a good way to start the day. That was really neat. So I'm gonna head back to the hotel, change clothes, and head to the beach. This was a nice day. Spending the day at Athens Beach was a little more relaxing than taking a ferry out to one of the outlying islands, and you had to spend a little bit more for a day bed, but it was totally worthwhile. I didn't want to film too much today because I wanted to respect those people that were wearing swimsuits. So next time you're in Athens, check out Athens Beach if you need just a relaxing afternoon. Hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.